I did go out for a second. You were gone so long, I wanted to see if you were coming back.
You tell me who it is. Who is it? Who is it? Tell me who it is. You tell me who is it? Who? Please tell me. 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 Please. Please. My God, Lo. Are you all right?
I don't feel very well.
It's a virus to worry about. I've had 40 cases like this in the last 2 weeks. We're just gonna keep her here overnight. Keep her hydrated, help her sleep. Look, why don't you go back and get some sleep? It won't help anything if you catch it, too.
I think I've caught it already. I feel dreadful. Maybe I should stay.
Yeah, call us in the morning. Get some rest. Here, I'll take those.
Thank you. Yes, hello, this is Mr. Humbert. I'm calling to see how my daughter, Dolores Hayes, is this morning.
Oh, she's much better. She was up bright and early, the little angel. Not a trace of fever, and when Uncle Gustav came to pick her up, we signed her out.
Who?
Uncle Gustav, Dolores called him. He had a sweet little dog, and he was the nicest man. Big smile for everybody. And wait, Ted.
And you let her go with him?
Oh, yes. Well, he paid the bill in cash. They said to tell you not to worry and to keep warm, and they'll be up at Grandpa's place expecting you. Then they went off in that nice big Cadillac.
Doctor! Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Tell me where she is. Leave me alone, you bastard! You fucking fiend-dog! Tell me where she is! You're all in on me! Get on here! Get me to that man! Get up! You stick! You fucker! I said relax! You know where she is! I'm sorry. I think I may just have had a little bit too much to drink. I'm sorry. I'm very worried about my daughter, I see. But she's with Uncle Gustav, so she'll be all right. Please, I'm sorry. So sorry. Thank you very much.
Dear Dad, how's everything? I'm married. I'm going to have a baby. This is a hard letter to write. I'm going nuts because we don't have enough to pay our debts and get out of here. Dick has been promised a big job in Alaska. Please send us a check, Dad. We could manage with 300 or 400, or even less. Anything is welcome. This is Richard F. Schiller.
Is that him? Up the ladder?
You want me to call him in?
No, it's not the one I want. You know what I mean. Where is he?
It has nothing to do with all that stuff. He thinks you're my father. Please don't bring up all that muck.
All right, I'll find out myself.
You really don't know? My God, Dad, it was Quilty. It was Claire Quilty.
Yes, of course. Quilty.
He was the only man I was ever really crazy about.
What about me? Where did he take you? Just tell me.
Well, everybody knew he liked little girls. He used to film them in his mansion over in Parkington, Paver Manor. But I wasn't gonna do all those things.
Well, what things?
2 girls and 2 boys, or, I don't know, 3 or 4 men. And Vivian was filming the whole thing. I said, no, I'm not gonna blow all those beastly boys. I want you. So he threw me out.
I looked and looked at her, and I knew, as clearly as I know that I will die, that I loved her more than anything I'd ever seen or imagined on earth. She was only the dead leaf echo of the nymphette from long ago, but I loved her, this Lolita, pale and polluted and big with another man's child. She could fade and wither, I didn't care. I would still go mad with tenderness at the mere sight of her face.